In this video, I'll show you how to verify your mutual fund holdings if you invested using any of the mutual fund apps. First step is to open your browser and type in MF Central. Click on this top result. Now open this website. So this website is developed by GAMS and GameFinTech. So these are the two companies that hold most of your mutual fund. Now click on Sign Up. In the sign up page, you have to enter your PAN detail and you have to enter either your mobile number or your email ID. Once you enter that, click on I'm not a robot, click on Agree and click on Create Account. Once your account is created, click on Sign In and here also enter your PAN number and you can either use OTP that will be sent to your mobile number or you can use the password that you created. So I'll be using the password here. Click on I'm not a robot and then click on sign in. Once you sign in, so this is how the dashboard looks like. Here you have a few options here. Click on my portfolio. It will show you the amount you have invested in, the current market value. If you scroll down, you can see how much equity it is. And click on asset class wise. Here you can see all the mutual funds that you're currently holding. So this is the easiest way to verify your mutual fund holdings that you've invested using any of the apps like Groww, upstox, or zerodha. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like these, click on subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.